Hey all, welcome back to the new video. So in the last video we had discussed the while loop in C language, isn't it? So let me start with today's video with the concept of do while loop. Okay, so the do while loop is a variant of the while loop. Okay, we can call it as it's a type of while loop. Okay, or it's a variant of while loop. This loop will execute the code block once before checking if the condition is true, then it will repeat the loop as long as the condition is true. That means, this do while loop will run at least one whether the condition is true or false. Okay, so first what it will do, first it will check the condition. If it would be true, then it would repeat the loop, but one time it will run definitely whether the condition is true or false. Okay, so we'll discuss in the future. Let's go with the flow. Okay, so see the syntax here. So here do and the code block would be there, do keyword would be there, and the code block of which to be executed would be there, and then while condition would be there. While is a keyword, along with that some condition would be there. Okay, so what would happen, whether the condition is true or not, it doesn't matter, but it will run one time, at least one time. Okay, then it will come, it will check the condition, isn't it? So the example below uses a do while loop. The loop will always executed at least one even if the condition is false, because the code block is executed before the condition is tested, isn't it? What is the syntax? Before the condition is checked, that means before coming to this while and condition, the process would run the program at least one, isn't it? Yeah, it will run at least one. Okay, so see here, int I value equal to 0, that means we're initializing this I value with 0. And see here, do keyword we are writing, and within the block we are just printing the I value, and we are checking if I is less than 5 or not. Okay, let me try this so that I think you might get some idea. So see here, I value is 0, isn't it? It would print the value I as 0, then the I value would be increment for 1, then it would check like I value is less than 5 or not. Okay, so if we'll try if this condition is false also, let me with I is 10. Okay, that means for the first time the condition would be false, isn't it? But still we'll run the code. Now it's running, it will definitely print. Just a second. See here, I value is 10 and we are running it again. Okay, so it would print definitely 10, but the condition is false, isn't it? I value I less than 5, that means 10 value is less than 5, condition false, but still it would print the I value at least 1, because before going to this condition part it would execute the program at least once, that I have told you earlier, no? So same like this. So this is about do while loop. Okay, okay, so let me stop here because I think there is nothing with this do while loop. Definitely people will ask like in which loop the code would execute at least once whether the condition is true or false. Which loop? The answer would be do while loop. Okay, so let me stop here for the video.